Hi, I'm Eloise. I'm a multimedia artist and filmmaker, and I wear a lot of black. I wanted to be a lot of things when I was growing up, but the one thing that was always constant throughout was drawing and carrying a sketchbook with me. So even when I was focused on wanting to be an actor, I was drawing, and when I was focused on wanting to be a marine biologist, I was drawing. It's something that was a constant. I would play this online MMORPG called EverQuest when I was a kid, and I would draw my character and the adventures that we went on. When I went to museums with my parents, I would sit and draw the designs that was on the pottery that was on display. And it wasn't really until I was working on a portfolio for art school that I realized that that was what I really wanted to be doing with my life. I've noticed recently that most of my work is collaborative in some way or other, whether it's working in film and theater and needing to work with a variety of talents and considerations. You know, you've got a text you're working from, but you've also got actors, you've also got light and set and stage direction and props. Editing, if it's video, that involves collaborating with a huge number of people. So I do things like that, but then I also work in collage, which even though it's just me working on the collage, involves a collaboration in the sense that you are taking media that's been created by someone else. Maybe it's a photo that's been taken in the catalog that's been sent to you. I think Art Prof is really special because I don't think there's anyone else out there working to make the arts accessible in the way that we are doing it. I think that we have a really unique give and take and one-on-one with our audience. I love responding to people's comments and answering their questions and speaking to them on social media because it really solidifies the connection of a teacher or a teaching assistant and the student and makes it more real in a way that I feel like I don't see in a lot of other online tutorial platforms. I also really love working on student critiques. I like responding to that and telling them how they could improve and what things they're doing well. It's really exciting to form these relationships with people from all over the world and be able to say, yes, I've had a conversation with a student from China who's watching our work and wants to have a conversation.
I'm
His hair.
Yes. Hi, I'm Eloise. I'm a multimedia artist and filmmaker, and I do all of the things.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a painter and performance artist, and here's a picture of my cat.